welcome to my class. Today I am going to take your EVS subject. In that we are going to see lesson number 7. The name of the lesson is school. You all know what is school, right? School is the place where we learn so many things. Now we are going to see in this lesson what we learn from school and what is exactly the school. Okay? Before proceeding further, first we are going to do a little warm up. They have given here. The students of the class 2 are talking about their school. Class 2 students are talking about their school. Help them write the names of the places in their school. What they have given here, clues. Yes, we have to complete these clues. They are the names of the places which are in their school. Now you can see here so many pictures are there. Yes, playground is there, office is there, yes, classroom is there, yes, staff room is there. This is library. Okay, this is library. So the first one is what? Classroom. So here see they have given you the clues. CL, we have to complete this. We have to complete these boxes. We have to complete the fill in the boxes. Classroom. CLASSROOM. Room. Classroom. Now next clue is P-A-G-O-D. So it is playground. So PLAYGROUND, playground, right? Then the next one is L-B-A-Y. So what will be the answer? Library. You can see here this is library. L-I-B-R-A-R-Y, library. Then the last one is staff room. Yes, teachers are sitting here. Staff room. STAFFROOM, staff room. Okay, students, in this lesson what we are going to see? Learning at school. Whatever we learn at school, that we are going to learn in this lesson. Activities in school and people in school. Now see here, a school is a place for learning. Yes, when we go to school, we learn so many things. Yes, we learn many things in school. Schools have buildings with many rooms. Yes, in your school also there are so many rooms. The children studying in the same class are our classmates. Those who are in our class, we call them our classmates. Okay, students. Now we'll proceed further. First is learning at school. What we learn at school? At school, we learn to read, write and speak properly. Yes, when we go to school, we learn the new things. We learn to read, we learn to write, we learn to speak. Yes, we learn about the wonderful world around. We learn about the wonderful world around us, people and cultures. When we go to school, we learn other people's culture. We meet new peoples, right? We learn music, dance and painting. In school we learn all these activities, music, dance and painting. We also pick up good habits and become helpful member of our society. When you go to school, teacher always tell you to behave good, how to behave with others, how to speak with others, right? And because of these good habits, we become a helpful member of our society. See, you can see here all these activity we learn from school. Coloring, dancing, yes, music. Then did you know schools for very small children are known as kindergartens? For very small children means those who are in playgroup, nursery, yes, senior KG, junior KG. These schools are called kindergartens. And what activities now we are going to learn when we go to school? What activities we learn? Activities at school. See, these boys are doing exercise. He is walking. He is doing yoga. Yes, he is exercising. Exercises, games and sports are an important part of every school, right? It is important for our daily life also, exercises, games and sports, and it is important in the school also. Games and exercises keep us fresh. When we play any games or when we do exercise, we feel fresh. Most schools have a playground. Parents, teachers and students enjoy school functions like the annual day and sports day. You also enjoy annual day and sports day, right? These are the functions which we celebrate in our school. And our children, parents and teachers also enjoy annual day and sports day. At school, we celebrate festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Guru Purab and Christmas together with our classmates. In school also we celebrate festivals like Holi, Diwali, Eid, Christmas, Guru Purab, right? We wish and greet each other on such occasion. We wish to each other when Holi is there or when Diwali is there. We wish to each other that Happy Holi, Happy Diwali, right? Now see here, little scientist what he is saying. Schools have rooms called science laboratories where students perform experiment. There is one room in the school is called science room or laboratories where experiments are performed by the students. Now we are going to see people who helps us at school. Which are the people who helps us at school? First is principal. He is the principal. The principal is the head of the school. He or she looks after the whole school. What principal do? He or she is the head of the school. Yes, and she looks or he looks after the whole school. Then next is who helps us? Teachers. Teachers teach us various subjects. They also teach us good habits. Yes, your teachers are also teaching you good habits. Teacher teaches various subjects. English, maths, science, right? Different teachers teach us different subjects. For each and every subject, different teacher comes and teaches, right? The librarian manages the school library and keeps record of the books we borrow from the library. How librarian is helping us? He is managing the school library. Whatever the books are there, yes, he keeps it neat and clean and he keeps the record also. Whichever book we take from the library. Yes. Then next, who helps us? The school bus driver. You can see here the picture. The school bus driver drives the school bus, bringing us to the school and taking us back to our homes. How he helps us? He comes to our house, he picks up us from there, he drops to our school and again back to our home. Yes? Then the next one is gardener. He is the gardener. The gardener takes care of the school garden. How he helps us? He helps to keep neat and clean garden. Yes, and he takes care of the whole garden. He takes care of the garden. Then the next is doctor. The doctor or nurse in the medical room takes care of us if we feel unwell or get hurt. Sometimes we get hurt in the school. Yes, while playing, while running. So, who takes care? Doctor or nurse in the medical room. Then next is the peon does many jobs for the school. Peon means who rings the bell. He or she rings the school bell after each class. Whenever your class gets over, he or she rings the bell. We call him or her peon. Okay, students. The school helps you in many ways. The school helps you in many ways. You can also help your school if you follow these rules. School is helping you in many ways. So you should also help your school if you follow these rules. You have to only follow the rules. That will be your big help to the school. What are the rules we have to follow in the school? First is take care not to damage the school building and furniture. We should never damage the school building or furniture. We should not jump on the furniture, right? Then next is keep your school clean. Always use dustbin. Whenever you sharpen your pencil, whenever you eat your tiffin, whenever you want to throw any waste, you should use dustbin. If you will use every time dustbin, your school will remain neat and clean. You can keep your school neat and clean. Then third is do not pluck flowers from the garden. You should not pluck any flower from the school garden. Then next is respect and obey your teacher. You should respect your teacher. You should not say any bad words to your teacher. Then next is always reach school on time. Whatever time is given by the school to reach, that time only you have to reach there. Okay, so you should be on time every day. Then next is never quarrel or fight with other students. Any problem, however big it may seem, can be solved through talking. Never quarrel means you should not fight, never quarrel or fight with your other students, means you should not fight with your friends, yes, or any other student in the school. Whatever the problem is, you can solve by talking. You can solve through talking. Everyone likes to see a quiet and well-kept school. Everyone likes to see a quiet and well-kept. Well-kept means the school should be clean, should be disciplined. Everyone likes to see that school. Okay students, now whatever we have learned in this lesson, what we have learned in this lesson? Lesson number 7, school. Learning at school. What we learn at school? Read, write and speak, people and cultures, music, dancing, painting, exercises, games and sports and good habits. We all learn at school, all this. Then next is people who help us at school. Who helps us at school? Principal, teacher, librarian, nurse, driver, gardener and peon. Then rules at school. Which rules we have to follow is do not damage school building and furniture, do not dirty the place, do not pluck flowers, respect and obey teachers, reach school on time, do not quarrel or fight with other students. Okay students, I hope you all have understood this lesson. Now we are going to evaluate. Fill in the blanks. They have given you your options. You have to choose one and write the correct answer in this space. First one is a dash is a place for learning. Which is the place for learning? School. Yes, so we are going to write the spelling of school. SCHOOL. Then number 2 is the dash takes care of us if we are unwell or get hurt. Who takes care of us when we are unwell and get hurt? Nurse, right? So we are going to write the spelling of nurse. NURSE, nurse. Then the third one is the dash takes care of our school garden. The dash takes care of our school garden. Who takes care of our school garden? Gardener, right? So the spelling of gardener is GARDENER. Number 4 is the dash gives us the books we need. Who gives us books in the school? Librarian, right? So we are going to write the spelling of librarian. LIBRARIAN, librarian. Now see the next question. Strike out the incorrect word. Now we have to strike out the incorrect. Incorrect means which is not correct. We should always obey or disobey our teacher. We should always obey our teacher. So disobey is wrong. So we are going to cross it. Second one is teachers teach us good or bad habits. Teachers always teach us good habits. So we are going to cross bad. Exercises help us to keep us fresh or lazy? Fresh. So lazy is the incorrect one. So we are going to cross it. Now draw lines to match correctly. You have to always use scale when you draw lines. The school is a place of drive the school bus, neat uniform, learning or on time. The school is a place of learning. So we are going to match it. Always reach school on time. Always reach school on time. The driver drives the school bus. The driver drives the school bus. We should wear neat uniform. Whenever you go to school, you should wear neat uniform. Okay, students, answer in a few words and answer in a sentence. These both questions I will give you in your notebook. This answer I will give you in your notebook. Okay, students. Now see here. Circle the images which show the things that you should not do in your school. You have to see these images. Yes. Which activity we should not do in our school? We have to circle it. See the first activity. Yes. We have to do like this in our school? No. So we are going to circle it. Okay. Then next one is we have to sit properly and do our activity in a proper manner. Yes, we have to do this. See third one, we have to throw waste material in a dustbin. We have to throw waste material in a dustbin. Yes, we have to throw waste material in a dustbin. We can do this activity in school. Right? See here, the boy is plucking the flowers. The boy is plucking the flowers. So this is a bad habit. We should not do any kind of activity like this. Yes, so we have to circle it. Okay, students, I hope you all have understood the lesson. Okay, now we are going to meet in the next lecture. Thank you. Bye. Take care.